Stick.
Yes, you know, Mike.
Yeah, man. I mean, mackerel popcorn locker.
Alright.
I like the fragrance. I like the fragrance, yeah. I said, that's it. We getting all out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good now. You know, eat seeds, you know.
Yes, sir.
You know, eat seed. Yeah, me that boy, me use my pastor.
So that's all you put in?
Me think me do something wrong.
You're wrong.
No, we don't make the fire, the water boil up. I'm not put in right.
Rasta, what use all of that?
I want this.
Hmm?
Coming to come. Based upon where one,
Yeah.
now tell them one.
So you say, you feel you did well.
Of course.
Excellent.
Oh God, man. Based upon what me do?
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Victory! From poverty to victory. Hannah, my dog, they're with me. My family, they're with me. Woo-hoo!
How deal it, Mike?
Why, Martin Adventure TV. Why me there? I can burn off a look. I look up at, you know.
Yeah, come.
Today,
Yeah.
no, so I kind of look up a look bit of white rice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. With that in a mackerel.
Yeah.
Something big.
So you look nervous. You look like a what? You nervous?
Nervous?
Yeah.
No, I never said. I something more we do. And I look at the basic, you know, and a regular thing, you know? Yeah.
So you say now, Mike, if you go and go to this today, see mackerel people. If you go and go to the mackerel today, and if you go and work in a restaurant, oh,
Work in a restaurant?
yeah.
Well, I don't really have to give up my taxi work.
Alright.
No, my people love me.
Yeah, and you love them.
I love taxi work.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, man, come to think of it, it's about a little pound and quarter. Not even pound and a half, because a 2 hour alone, they're on this boat here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Nah, there you go. Oh, God. Paper. Or understand. Body has to have one. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, a shelly white rice today, Michael.
Which is the right?
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, it's mighty, Mike. I get in. My fans? I don't want to say, but I'm going to surprise. Sometimes I afford that much my rice, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
With soap?
Huh?
With soap or just a lot of business?
Water.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what? And you can see the rice, I told me I look on the rice, yeah. It's not a stone and them things, you know? You don't see no trash in it.
Clean.
Yeah, it's clean, basically, yeah.
Let me see it.
Hold on, I'm going to chop some water in. Look on it.
Mm-hmm.
See nothing in it. I want for people not to eat mackerel, you know.
Hmm?
I want for people not like mackerel.
Why? And it's full of omega-3 and them things.
Yeah, that, me, yo.
So you heard the mackerel, you heard that. What the other one name? Sardine.
Sardine. Sardine, I went in the night, you know.
Ah.
Calcium. Eh?
What you say?
It's a sardine.
Yeah.
It having vitamin A
Mm-hmm.
and vitamin C.
Mm-hmm.
You might have something like that, man. Sardine is a good thing for you, you know.
It having calcium.
Eh? Maybe that, you see.
I thought you just said,
You
man.
just say that?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think about that?
We don't know.
Man, sardine, someone. Sardine and sardine. Easy to deal with, you know, man.
So you can ever deal with it instead of it.
Man, you one, man.
Mm.
I'm a fever for sardine, bro.
Oh, mackerel.
Mackerel fever, though.
Mm-hmm.
You want sardine?
Anything you
How about
chef up?
sardine?
Anything you chef up today, may I deal with, right?
Yo. I think now what's alright in the morning.
Alright. Pot. Yes, sir. Stove time.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think now what's alright in the morning. Good. Me think me do something wrong.
You're wrong.
No, we don't make the fire, the water boil up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not able to do right.
Mm-hmm.
Eh?
Anyway, give it today.
Yeah?
That's how we are dealing with it.
Anyway,
Anyhow.
me do no deal that sound like it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that style. Me think me do something wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But they are feed guys, sweeter still. Rice in a pot.
Because you see two how you are doing your thing, you do it on a different level.
I know me a cook, you a cook.
Alright. Normally me make the water boil up.
So why you never do all of that?
No, because you force me to do it this way. This is your way.
No, stop telling lie. Just a video, you do what you want.
So which way is the better way?
Anyway, you argue with it.
Make it stay. That way, make it stay.
Alright.
Alright?
Okay.
So when it boil, no boil, we can put it in the salt.
For the rice.
Yeah.
Alright.
Upon a yes. You don't eat seed, so you know.
Yes, sir?
You don't eat seed.
Uh,
You eat seed?
no. Clean.
Alright. Why you choose this? Do you want this in here one?
Sweet pepper?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't use it.
So it depends on you and it's me and you doing this.
You a cook, I'm just here to support it.
Support it. Yeah. Alright, you are one. Now cut up. Not alright. No alright.
Mm-hmm.
You want alright now?
Hear me I say. So Michael, at this you cook pan a regular mackerel and rice?
No, sir.
Oh.
So I must say,
What one of your favorite?
I'm tell you.
Yeah.
You tell me now.
Mm-hmm.
There's a man, part me love in the right show, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Them thing I'm not really my menu, you know.
So you say that you deal with the porridge better?
Oh, God, man.
So you never chose to do the porridge?
No, I forgot to say you not drink caramel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So go on. Alright.
And the next time, I just deal with some
So,
caramel part, right?
alright.
Bring over me other fans.
Alright. Yeah, because I say, you're not so nervous again, you know. This is a simple one too.
Yeah, but you have to know, say you are going.
Mm.
This not require you have to know what you people, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, if I pass still, you can get a look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but if you're not there, you know, me now call nobody with it. Right?
Alright. The sweet pepper. But we never get nothing there, Michael. You call it?
Alright.
Tomato. It can work without it?
You like a tomato?
Mm-mm.
We are working over here, you know.
Alright.
Yeah.
Feel it. Michael, I said. At first, you know, the sweet pepper could have been a mackerel. Mm-hmm.
I know why you really think that.
Mackerel and rice. Stop the line of Mikey, man.
You know, say, if you see me with a mackerel, more while you know how I buy it. When me have over my house, me have like, what you call it? Macaroni and cheese. You get me?
So you did it?
Huh?
You mix it together, did it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that, no.
I never tried that yet, so I don't know.
Mr. Fiddle ever tried that?
No, I never tried a combo there.
You need to try that, yeah?
I don't really think we need to.
No, you know, so like a super edible still there, Michael.
Huh?
Just so edible.
When me talk about?
Yeah.
Yeah? You don't like it then?
No, I don't think I like it.
You do that there, I get some of this.
Ginger? So ginger again, eh, mackerel? That you just say?
Where ginger there?
Garlic.
I'm wrong genie, I call my boss.
Yo, me never call him.
Yeah. I don't know.
But them thing the way you talk about still, Michael, them thing they have to be a thing I pass now.
Alright.
That's how I feel, eh?
No, macaroni and mackerel.
I true, I start cook some red rice and do snapper fish over and everything there.
Them thing there when you never have no teeth, brother.
Michael. Have a sit down. Michael.
You have the whole 32 now, you know. Can feel for something different now, man.
You never have no pulsar.
So you not talk to me.
Yeah. Fiddler, I can't tell that man.
come on more this salt. I look, see. I'm gonna use a lot of salt, you know.
Put that salt, I can't even know it. I like, sea salt. Yeah. Michael, say that talk to you, man.
Who that, Mr. Mikey? You know what I mean? Who that is something?
I'm gonna shake it out of my pot, man.
Oh, something on that.
You're not so skilled.
Wanna hide it from the budget?
You know what I'm saying, boy.
Yeah, me the boy, me and his pastor.
So that's all I put in?
Alright. Yeah, that's good.
So, all that I go spread in my pot now.
And that can't work, man. Grab that lot, man.
What man, the rice nearly done steaming.
Yeah?
Not even water left in my pot too tough.
Yeah, man, that's good, man. We got it.
Oh,
We got it, man. Yeah, you know what? I'm not dry out there.
where's the chef?
Alright, Ding.
Where's Mike? Talk to them, Mike. Tell them what's
Alright.
going on.
You know what, no, no? We never really want to practice this like a after the game, man.
Practice all. The butter is this.
Yeah. But, you know, I use a piece of the butter, man. You get me, Shaman?
Secret ingredient.
Right, them?
Secret ingredient, just as I.
That thing you, alright, now put a piece of butter here.
Then I put all of that. Rasta would I use all of that?
So, what were you saying?
No, it
Rasta would do?
would I use all of it? I don't know if that's the right thing, but I tell you what my friend would I do.
What would you do?
What would I do?
Yeah.
Just stand up and look.
Mom,
What you just say?
me say,
Yeah.
based upon what I was doing,
Mm-hmm.
me get my top score.
That's how I want to.
Me not like a number there. Pass this already, man.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Alright. So you say, you feel you did well.
Of course.
Excellent.
Oh, God, man. Based upon what me do?
Yeah.
Come on.
Alright,
I
we'll
know
see.
I'm
We will see.
perfect. I know.
Alright.
I did a perfect job. Right, Mr. Finley? Mr. Finley, what do you say about that?
Alright, only time will tell.
Ah. Oh. I'm a girl up there.
Hmm?
I'm a girl up there.
How it look?
You see the when you the one them?
Which one?
The grace? Eh?
Mm-hmm.
I think them better than this one. Hmm?
So I deal with this one.
I take out this outside.
The bone?
Yeah.
Did you stop your throat and choke you?
Me I run from. That's it. You don't know where I do them bone right kill you, know.
Wow, mackerel bone?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, but where I do one. See it there? Oh, God, man. Yeah. I said, that's it. We get it all out.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good now. But I really like black pepper still.
Yeah, you a cook, Mr. Bad man.
Yeah, but you see,
Yeah.
I mean, I have parts, so you just say, man, look a bit, and I get a little bit, but I don't eat anything.
You don't have to give me it if you not use it. Just leave it.
Alright.
I remember when I grading time now, you alone I get your score now, man.
Grade?
Yeah.
I don't get everything at school, you know, man.
Yeah.
I need love, yeah, yes, man. Born for this, you know, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. No, I still just because I give you one more pepper, you know.
I want another pepper.
I give her one.
Alright, may I get... Oh, where is the first? Start me here.
I give her one,
Mm-hmm.
to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
Look when my mackerel have been all over pepper.
Alright, so may I get one more pepper, right?
That which is right.
You don't feel like, say,
Mm-hmm.
if you go on good today with this you're cooking, alright?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like, say, you can start cook some more. I make some bigger hardens So you are going with like all niche, Dalvey, all of them.
Well,
Yeah.
from so long, me get 10 and over.
You do it.
Maybe go and do it.
But if you don't get to 10
But if
now.
then go and give me a good grade pan this, but I check pan me again.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. I'm a bad man. No, it's fine.
I'm seeing your pattern in the other way. Colorful, oh, Mikey.
Yeah, that is it. It's a four stuff.
Wow.
You see it?
Silver, voilà, silver.
It's a pot, look. Everything in it. Very perfect.
So you feel proud now, Mike?
Of course, of course.
Alright. See it there, guys. Look good. Smell good too.
Huh?
How the place smell?
I like the fragrance. I like the fragrance, yeah. We have one.
Yeah.
Spoon, yeah? Very, very. Yeah. Wow.
See where I'm going with that, guys.
Right now,
Yeah.
just a look at it now because I just see it.
My sake, I tell you, say you don't have to use it. So you mean my sake?
Look, I just a look at it.
Have black pepper? Yes, Mike?
I say I just want a little bit of the ketchup.
Ketchup.
I can't start, you know.
Mm-hmm.
How about this?
Hmm?
Coming to come. I want the next mackerel.
Eh? Yes, yeah. You want one more mackerel?
It looks
Rice too much.
yeah. That is it.
Okay.
Now share some food now.
Alright.
Yes, it is. The rice pot there? Yeah. Victory! From poverty to victory. Hannah, my dog, they're with me. My family, they're with me. Woo-hoo! Victory! From poverty to victory. Hannah, my dog, they're with me. My family, they're with me. Watch out. Me there with me dog, you. You real one them. I say my grace, man. Be two food, them, right?
Mm-hmm.
But health and strength and daily food, he praise the men over other men. Amen. Yeah.
Yes.
It's nice.
Nice real. Nice real, Mike.
Huh?
Nice real.
Oh, okay. How you believe? Food body, huh?
How much you like yourself out for this now?
This?
Yeah.
If I'm very good. What do you say, no one? Why you give me a score?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, Mike. So, come on, close to you. Yes, you know, look the square. Hmm?
I think I can take it.
So much you feel you deserve.
Oh, man?
Yeah.
Eat where women, I'm telling you.
If you consume it, I'll tell you. You have some girls, the rice?
Yeah, there's the rice.
Or the mackerel?
There's the rice.
Okay. That's what me did pay the rice now. You want to score for your rice, though?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Rice, I'll go on still.
But,
Yeah. The butt? I'm not saying no butt, man. I just say it's a go on. It's a go on. But, no, but it's too fresh.
we don't tell her it's not a man like this one, but I saw it.
I know that's why I'm not saying nothing. But the meal? Should I meal there, Mike?
Yeah.
I give one 9 should I meal there.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. You want to solid score that?
No problem, we'll do that.
Oh, go. It's a go on.
So me now,
But Mike, the pepper they lazy boy.
lame man.
And I two you use.
Yeah. People then lame man.
Lazy boy. But mackerel and rice are going.
Right?
So you said, the best mackerel rice is ever cooked or you cook better than this.
Well, based upon what I want, I cook already man. Yeah.
You better than this?
What is that? What is it?
I'd say if you cook mackerel and rice, you better than this.
This one.
Alright. But this are going still.
When I want to call him, say him,
If you don't want some,
I eat already.
alright, I'll show it to you when we're done. Yeah man guys, so sketch up our next epic though.